Good morning, stop. Good morning, sunshines. It's actually morning for once. It's 11:25. We're going to the beach today. We're beach bombing it. I'm cutting that out. So, we just stopped at Wawa. We got goodies in the back for lunch at the beach. I got my beach towel on and blanket and all. So, yeah. I'm gonna go to the beach today on a Monday. Because that's just the kind of people we are.
In December.
December, what is the day? The 19th? December 19th. I'm so excited. It's 10 days, so we'll be in Philly. But I already looked at the weather. It's 20 degrees there right now. Can I just I think it's 81 here. I just want to check. At the beach right now, it's 83 degrees. Right now, it is 83 degrees here, too. So, it's 28 in Philly, and it already snowed. And we've been having, a mini heat wave, I feel like. Because it was cooler. It felt like fall weather. It was, mid to, low 60s, even, 50 some night. But now it's just, 80 degrees, 80 degrees, 80-plus degrees. So, yeah, there's that. And then we're going to go to, 20-degree weather. Not excited about that, but I'm excited to see my fam squad.
Got some ice cream and snow cones. And now we're gonna go home.
Sadly.
That's alright, it was a good day.
Oh, good.
Peace.
I swear it's not the vape. I think it's really just the sun. It looks like it, but
That's the vape.
I think it's the sun. So, okay. Boy. Anyway, so we took a little detour coming home because I spotted a Teen Challenge thrift shop. So I was like, oh, okay. Because we've been broke. But I'm like, I want to go shopping. Let's go to the thrift store. But I've been informed that Teen Challenge is a religious, thrift store. Like Catholic? Well, not like Catholic, but
It's a
Christian
thing. They take young guys that are having trouble, take them in and get them back on the right path. You know, if they're having drug problems and stuff like that, they take them in and get them a chance to detox and get back on track with their life.
So that was pretty good. I felt pretty good purchasing there. Specifically for that, I always try any little good thing. I try to help out as much as I possibly can. I don't know if you can see one of my stack of books. That's one of my stacks. There's another stack over there behind Justin. I got a stack like this big. They were all like $1.99 or less, and it's really great because I love to design, so I got a lot of reference books. So great like for world travel and everything, just to view different cultures and flowers and stuff, just to get inspiration from. So I've been trying to grab like reference books for the longest time now, and they're like $22 a piece. And these are the same books for $1.99, so Justin carried them all like a good sport. Thank you. They're super heavy. But we got a few little things for the house, just like a bowl and like pitcher dispenser thing. But it was nice. It was a big thrift store. They had a lot of furniture. I specifically went in there looking for an entertainment center. They surprisingly didn't have any, but I mean, I got books, so I'm happy. But I forgot about my icy, my snow cone.
And now it's a no cone.
It's a no cone. No!
It is but a puddle of its former self.
But it's still good though. Look at it. It's still like, you know how like when you get like an icy from 7-Eleven and it just melts and you're just like, Or like, do you know those popsicles that you get in like the long popsicles that come in like pouches? And they come liquid and you freeze them. Do you ever just like put them in the fridge to chill them and just drink the liquid? Maybe I was the only one. I'm a weirdo.
I don't know.
That really is a no cone. I have no more. Oh god. I'm not. Copy cat. But today was a nice day. We had a lot of fun. I had a lot of fun. I can't speak for you.
Yep.
Yep. Thank you for all that input.
I am pooped.
He is pooped.
Stick a fork in me, I am done. Trizzle, trazzle, troll. It's time for this one to go home.
Is that really a thing?
It really is a thing.
Oh man, I've never heard that before.
My old gym coach used to say that all the time.
Oh man, that's funny. I'm gonna have to... No, I'm never gonna remember that. I was gonna say, I'm gonna have to remember that.
Trizzle, trizzle, trazzle, troll. It's time for this one to go home.
No. Because those aren't even real words. I'm not gonna remember it.
They are real words.
No, they're not.
They have letters and orders, and they make phonetic sound. They are real words. Couldn't tell you what they meant, but they're real words. Because I said them.
Oh my goodness. So yeah, I'm like half dressed still. I have my bathing suit on, and I have my kimono, my long kimono, and my shorts. I just want to go home and put real clothes on. I feel gross. So Justin's completely passed out on me. I'm just watching YouTube now. I don't know if we're going to be doing anything else tonight. That really depends on when he decides he wants to get up or not. But he is exhausted, so I'm going to let him sleep for now. I might nap. I just got out of the shower. But, yeah, I'll probably end up napping with him. He said he was up. He came into the bedroom and said he was up.
I am up.
Okay. Up.
Yep, up.
You're too cute. So we just decided we weren't going to be going out. We're just gonna play video games for the rest of the night. He's playing The Evil Within, so we're just gonna kind of, I guess, do this for the rest of the night.
Not the rest of the night.
I'm fine with that. I like to play some Fallout, but that's fine. Or maybe Zoms. But yes, that's what we're gonna do. We're boring. But that's all. We'll see you guys again soon.